All right. Happy Tuesday, April 7th. We got a fun workout for you today. Thank you to all of you who did the Support Your Local Box workout yesterday with us, and those of you that are still doing it, we appreciate you. It's awesome to be connected to the greater CrossFit community. All right, so for today, we have for your warm-up 3 rounds for quality. All these are good shoulder warm-up for you. Take your time with them. It's good stretched out, good movement. 5-inch work. You're going to go down, touch your toes, walk your hands all the way out to that top of the push-up position, and then inch your toes, ideally as close to your hands as possible, keeping those feet flat. Okay? At this point, you can stand up, turn around, go the opposite direction, or continue moving forward depending on the space you have. You're going to do 5 of those. After you've done 5, you can walk back out. You're going to do mountain climbers. Lead elbow back and forth. It can be slower. Either way, you go right, left equals 1. Okay? Then you've got 5 backwards crab walks to a tabletop hold. So it's going to look like this. You're here. You're going to crab walk backwards, 5 steps. Push up, hold 3, 2, 1, and down. You can walk forward or turn around and walk backwards again. And then hold. Once you've gotten to that hold 5 times, you're good. Then, stay on the ground. You've got 10 bicycle crunches. Push those toes away from you. Twist. Right, left equals 1. Then you're going to do 5 cat push-ups. If you're with us yesterday with stability with stretch, stability with step, she did awesome stretching too. But you did a lot of little exercise to make sure that you are optimizing shoulders, hips, and core, and optimizing that stability. She's an amazing physical therapist with Volante Physical Therapy, and she'll be doing that every Monday at 1 p.m. So join us. So it looks like this. You're going to be in that plank position or on your knees. But from here, you're going to pull those shoulder blades together, let that shoulder or the chest drop, and then push away and round a little bit. Okay? Shoulders together, push away. 5 of those, nice and controlled. Okay? Then you're going to do 10 reverse lunges with a high knee hug. Okay? Step back, long step back, come up, bring that knee into your chest, pull it towards your shoulders. Step back and a long step behind you, good stretch, come up, squeeze. You need to hold on to something to get that long stretch, awesome. And then just bring that knee up. You can't give it a big hug. Okay, 3 rounds of that. And then we are into strength. Okay. So every minute on the minute, you're going to do either, so starting with 10 alternating dumbbell bicep curls, and then the next minute, 8 bent over rows. Now, if you do have a pull-up bar, and you want to do a pull-up version, you can do the first minute 5 strict pull-ups, 5 strict chin-ups with your hands facing in, okay? And then 5 strict pull-ups on the next minute. Alternate back and forth. Okay? If you're doing the dumbbell version, depending on the dumbbells that you have, if you have heavier dumbbell, okay, you might start with it together versus doing a single arm. You want those palms up, okay, squeeze, do that curl, nice and controlled, come back down. Now, if you have a weight that you can do a single arm, okay, do that. Slow, controlled, pull it up, Control on the way down. Again, palms out. That's for your bicep curls. You're going to go 5 each arm, okay? Or if you've got one that you're doing together, 10. Then you have 8 bent over rows. So with that dumbbell or that object, again, it could be with both hands, right? Depending on the dumbbell. Here, pull back. Either way, you're going to pull those shoulders away from your ears. Squeeze your lats. Squeeze those elbows towards your rib cage and bend your elbows. Okay? Single arm here. Pull back. Control on the way down so that shoulder stays connected versus dropping out. Pull back, nice and engaged. Bend that elbow and down. Okay? And again, that pull-up version is on here as well. For the workout, we have 5 rounds per time of 10 shuttle runs. Shuttle run, you're going 10 meters. Okay, so get to where you can. If you've got space, run, touch the ground, come back, touch the ground. Okay, back and forth. This could be from your living room to your kitchen or wherever you've got. It's about 10 meters for that shuttle run. Every time you run those 10 meters, that's 1. Now, if you don't have a lot of space to do that, you can do speed skaters. You're going to step to the side, get that back leg behind you, and you can even touch the ground. Okay? You can do that fast or slow if needed. Then you have 20 weighted box step-ups, 10 each leg. Whatever object you have, hold it either on your shoulder, down by your hips, right in a front rack position. Step up on that spot. Make sure it's a stable place to step. And back in. Okay, make sure you're pushing through your heel. Right up. And keeping that torso straight up. Okay? Full extension at the top. If you don't have a box or something to step up on, again, you can always take the weight away. You can do lunges with or without the weight. Okay. Next is a 30-second handstand hold. You've got a space that you can go upside down with that's safe, that your feet aren't going to go through your wall. Okay, put a pillow, some padding down. Again, really, if you've already done this before, is what I want you to do in that handstand hold. Okay, you get to that spot, core tight, control those legs up, and then really make sure that you're in a straight body position. Okay, you're going to be there for 30 seconds. If you got to get up for 10, come back down, then I want you to accumulate 30 seconds. Those of you that don't have a wall, don't want to go upside down like that, you've got a box, safe spot to come up on. And you do want to go upside down, you put your knees on that object, work your way to that floor, hands down, arms straight. You're pushing that floor away, and same thing, straight back. Hold there. You can also do, where your feet are not on any object, just more in that inchworm position. Down dog. You can put your weight on your toes, shift your weight onto those shoulders. You can also do 3 of those inchworms that we warmed up with. Okay, a lot of options there. For those of you that have handstand push-ups, you can do 15 handstand push-ups instead of those 30-second handstand hold. Okay, but I like the stability of that hold and that core control. Okay, slow it down for that. Then 40 weighted sit-ups. Okay, whatever object you have, you can switch the weight. on this. If you're using something heavy before, come back down. Okay, so weight is close to your chest. Okay, hold it there as you come up. You can keep it close to your chest or go up overhead. You can have those feet butterflied or straight. As you come down, pull that weight close to you and roll back. Have some control with that versus just flopping back with speed. Okay? Roll that spine into the ground and come up. Okay? And again, you can always take the weight out. After 40 weighted sit-ups, go back to those shuttle runs. Okay? A little bit longer workout today. Should be fun. Enjoy it. Challenge yourself. Get active today. For just make sure that you know, today we have 11 a.m. our free kids class. 2:30 p.m. is our free teens class. So if you've got kiddos in your life, want to get them active, let us entertain them for a little bit. Get them sweaty, get them some fitness. That would be awesome. Join us for live classes. And if not, do this workout. Have fun. Let us know how it was. Have a great day, guys.